Cosaw, automated system of airline boarding. Thousands of people use airplanes every day for their trips, but despite a highly automated world, there are still great lacks in the passengers' boarding process. Why do passengers and ground staff continue on arguing about hand luggage during passengers' boarding process? Is it possible to speed up the boarding process with an optimization of control and to improve security by systematic and not random means and reduce airport fees with more effective services? Cosaw is an automated system that puts together a certified control of hand luggage, a control of passengers' identity, and an organized boarding process. 3 devices are comprised within just one processing system. The machines are installed in any passenger's terminal building and allow verifying passengers' boarding pass in relation to the flight and checking passengers' ownership, verifying the passenger's identity, ID card, passport, checking hand luggage features, weight and measures, together with an image of the piece of luggage to be duly classified. The piece becomes linked to the boarding pass and its holder, paying any necessary fee to make the passenger's flight ticket match with its actual luggage. Classification as hold baggage and inclusion of data to the airline DCS system are also included. Finally, an image of the passenger is taken and linked to all these data: boarding pass, holder, and luggage. All the information is stored in the cloud in real time and can be queried by the airline as well as by the airport services, handling and security services on a control panel. It is also stored in the airline's DCS by CETA. After this process, the system carries out the pre-boarding control with the first series of access control electronic gates, and then the access to the finger with a second series of electronic gates under the order criteria of the airline. Both controls work by checking passengers' boarding passes. Cosaw is the technology answer to boarding efficiency. It provides a solution to shared needs between airlines, airport operators, handling companies, and of course, passengers. Cosaw brings the following advantages. It focuses on the responsibility of the passengers to verify their own luggage, cutting out any interaction with ground staff and allowing to define slot times regardless of the passenger's ability, and to define prior diversion of hand baggage excess. Tickets are reissued if hand luggage doesn't fit, which means a new source of revenues for the airline. This provides an estimated savings between 100 and 120 euros per boarding by the elimination of gate staff. Costs due to load and balance sheet, luggage transferred to hold and inclusion in the DCS system are eliminated. The ability to determine the cockpit payload enables a more reliable control of the fuel needed for taxiing before takeoff. This system permits human resources savings in handling companies and reduces night work and extra services costs for delays. Competitiveness is increased. The system provides statistics as a tool for the airline to define different luggage criteria for each flight, departure time, and day. Moreover, this system provides statistical information regarding travel habits, which is useful to develop business and marketing policies tailored to the needs of passengers. It also raises security, providing a comprehensive control of passengers' hand luggage, avoiding losses, and including information to PNR system, which will be compulsory in the years to come. Cosaw is the ultimate technology solution for 250 airlines, more than 10,000 international airports, and hundreds of millions of passengers. Implementation at zero investment costs. Cosaw.